Rosetta ShipIt Day 2014, Team Cogitate. The growing popularity of activity tracking is introducing the world to the Internet of Things in interesting ways, but the presentation of the collective data set tends to be analytical. Activity tracking is just the start. As more connected objects enter our lives, the combined analytical presentation of data quickly becomes overwhelming. But without an understanding of what is collected about us, we will be unable to own or manage the data about ourselves. This is what Team Cogitate hopes to address. We've focused our experience on a large digital canvas that multiple people can interact with, as it is our thesis that through contemporary art, a larger audience will be attracted to visualizing and understanding their own data. By using electronics from a company called Pinocchio that create a mesh network between themselves, we are able to detect when a person enters and exits a room where our artwork hangs. Our first person in the room viewing the art. He is represented as a large orb, and connections to him who are not in the room as smaller orbs whose distance is indicative of the differences in their GPS data. The color of the orbs is matched to each person's activity levels. When a second person enters the room, their sensor joins the mesh network as indicated by the green lights, and her orb then becomes on screen with additional connections. The two people in the same room are represented at the same time and same size, as other connections are placed based on their GPS data. While this could raise privacy concerns, at no time is the data personalized or a location given. Each person is likely able to find themselves and understand the direct connections, but it's unlikely that they could determine any specifics about them. When someone leaves the room, the space and the network of their orb is removed from the artwork. When zoomed out, you can imagine the possible universe that exists. It is our belief that in a home where the lights can be controlled to match your presence and activity level, the temperature can predict your desires, the kitchen can help you stay hydrated, and chores can announce their need for attention or completion, that understanding data is imperative. Contemporary art will allow that understanding to come without the anxieties that large data sets present. Thank you.